Welcome to DIY Dish It Yourself by Swiggy Instamart. I'm Govind and with me is the people's favorite, Chef Saloni.
So this segment is called Experiment, where we try to create dishes that have been our go-to more than often, but it's something that we never make at home. But that changes now and you will be ready to experiment at your home. Today's special recipe is chicken popcorn.
You know what? After watching this episode, na mothers will just keep going on about how कि ये मैं तो घर पे ही बना देती, तो बनाओ ना घर पे.
So first we're going to start by marinating the chicken. Just combine your milk along with a little bit of vinegar. Give this a good mix and we let it sit for about 4 to 5 minutes. Govind,
Yeah?
why don't you take over the process?
I'm the chef.
No, you're just the sous chef.
Okay, like for now I'm taking, okay.
Add in the boneless chicken into the bowl and then we have all the spices. So we'll start with some coriander powder, smoked paprika,
Is it smoked?
granulated garlic, pepper. We have some onion powder.
Okay, this
Yeah,
onion
it's
powder
lumps
doesn't
of
want to
it.
come
You
out.
can take-
You can't stop me, onion powder.
And then lastly, we have some red chili powder. Now we're going to give all of this a good mix. So once the chicken has mixed really well, we'll set this aside for about 30 minutes. The longer you can marinate it, the better. That means that the chicken will be more juicy and tender.
Okay, now that my hands are clean again, what's the next step?
So first you want to combine the flour. And then we'll add the corn flour. So the corn flour here helps us give a beautiful crunch to the popcorn. Crunch.
Is there unpure starch also?
Oh God, I've never been asked that question. Then we'll add the garlic along with the smoked paprika. Don't skip both of these because this gives the chicken the quintessential chicken popcorn flavor. And we'll just add a pinch of the pepper. And now we're going to give this a quick mix. Mix this until it is well combined and our dry flour mix is ready. So here we have the marinated chicken along with the dry mix that we prepared. The chicken has been sitting for about 30 minutes and it has absorbed all the flavors beautifully. The last thing we have to do is add in the whisked egg. So you want to just mix in the egg really well. So first we're going to dip the chicken in the dry mix. Then we add it to a bowl of ice cold water. Okay, we'll take it out of the water and dip it back in the dry flour mix. Okay, do you want to try it out?
Yeah, try it out.
Yeah. It's just a very quick dip.
The masala doesn't go away, what? Like,
Yeah.
okay, this hand.
Yeah, and then give it a quick cook. Yeah, it's ready.
You sure?
Yeah,
Have I done it?
yes.
Yes! Yes! Let's go! Yes! 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 Come on! Behind the camera. Yeah! That's right! Got carried away.
Okay, so now we've reached the final part and the double coating is done. The chicken looks beautiful and now it's time to finally fry it. We'll fry it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Since the pieces are relatively small, we don't want to fry for too long, otherwise there is a chance that it will overcook.
5-6 minutes, no? You know what? I'll just be back. Can you hold this?
Okay.
Go, hold this, okay? I'll just be back.
Where did he go? Okay, anyway, we're going to fry these until they are nice and golden brown. So once the chicken is nice and brown and crunchy on top, we'll take it out on a plate lined with paper napkin.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Oh, what's that?
No, see, I'm not a sous chef anymore, right? I'm an expert now. So I'm just here for a taste test.
Go ahead.
Okay. I need to have one more.
So as you guys can see that this recipe was clearly a big success. And if you want to make chicken popcorn at home, what are you waiting for? Order from Swiggy Instamart and enjoy. It's good?
I'll get it with the sauce.
Okay, you know what, guys? Go like, share, and subscribe while he gets the sauce, which I hope he does.